How to verify your age on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you verify age on TikTok. So let's get started. First, as you have to open TikTok app with your account. After you open TikTok, you'll get this type of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on profile icon. From your profile section, at the top right corner, tap on three lines. And from here, tap on settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, at the top, tap on account. From account section, tap on account information. And from here, you can simply get options like add your birth date. Like I have already added my birth date on my TikTok account. If you not haven't added your date of birth, you can simply get the option just at the below of the account region section. After you add your date of birth, you'll be able to verify your age on TikTok. So this is the method. If this helped you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.